Good morning, everyone. Colleen here from Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Today is day 6 in my challenge, my Mature Skin Makeup Challenge, to do 30 products by 30 different brands in 30 days. And once again, it's a work day, so it's early in the morning, but I do have a very unique item for us this morning. This is the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. And I did do a swatch for you that I'll insert. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I realized that it was released a couple years ago, but I got mine in my BoxyCharm, through BoxyCharm. So it came in the mail yesterday, so I thought I'd try it out for us. So I don't have a shopping piece for this morning, as I normally do, because this came in the mail, obviously. So I wanted to show it to you. It is stunningly beautiful, if you like sparkly, pretty things like I do. But there is no matte in this palette. So when I looked at it, I thought, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge the norm, and I'm going to say that a 50-plus mature woman can wear a sparkly shadow to work. And I have an idea of how I'm going to do that. So stay tuned. I'll show you the swatches next, and then we'll get into the demonstration. So here are the swatches. Look at these stunning colors. Just across the board, really beautiful. And I have to look up the color names, but you can see there's like a rust. They're all shimmers. A rust, and then a pink, a really vibrant blue, and a soft sparkling with a little bit of purple in it. Dusty rose kind of pink. Beside that is a purple. And another kind of rust shade. I would say that the two rusts are very similar. Then a very light pale pinky color. A really pretty lilac beside that, and to finish off, a really gorgeous green shimmer with some flecks in it of blue. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's some kind of blue flecks in there. All stunning. Not a matte in the bunch. Sorry, I lost my video there, but unfortunately, I think you missed me putting the eyeshadow on. But what I was saying was I wanted to use this one right here. And I've gone ahead and I just used my finger and I swatched it right here. So you can see. Now, I think that we can get away with this as a day look for the office with just the one. I don't think you could do multiple like shimmery shades from this palette. For it might be a bit overkill, but I do want to use them all. So stay tuned for upcoming videos where we use all these beautiful shimmery and duochrome shades out of this palette. So I'm going to go away now and finish the rest of my look. I have to put on basically my entire face, because when I work with sparkly shadows like these, I like to do them first in case there's fallout. I can wipe it away and then continue on with the rest of my foundation and everything and not have it spoiled by the fallout. So I have to go away and do the rest of my face now. So I'll be back as soon as I'm done. So here's my finished look for today. I'm off to work shortly. And I think this monochrome look kind of works. I lightened up things a bit by putting on a lighter color blazer for spring. So, and I should show you my eyes. Here we go. With just the one swipe from the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions palette. And I think my point here is that you can take something like this if you're attracted to these sparklier and prettier kind of, well, not prettier, I shouldn't say, but sparklier definitely, eyeshadows, that I think you can use them even if we are mature women and we have an office job. I think it's okay to just do one swipe and, you know, have a little fun with them. So that's my look for today. So here I am at my office. It's lunchtime and time to check in. So here's my eyes. Now, one thing I have noticed, I haven't done anything to my eyes, I did put some more lipstick on, is there is some glittery bits falling out here. and under here. So not huge, but definitely noticeable. So if that would upset you, then this is not for you for sure. It's holding up pretty well. I would say if I were to use it again, I would use a proper eyelid primer instead of the concealer I used this morning. So that's my midday check-in. If you're liking this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. We're on day 6 of the challenge, and I've got 24 more days to go, so there are lots of content and fun coming up. So here is my Bonnie, and we're going to say goodbye. This video is done now, but I did want to remind you, if you like this video and the content on my channel, please subscribe so you can keep seeing everything that I post. And also, if you have any comments or any suggestions about what product you would like me to test on this 30-day challenge, let me know. I'm happy to try out anything that I can find here in Canada in the drugstore or Sephora. So, but keep it to makeup, because skincare we can't test in one day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bonnie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Okay, bye-bye now.